Which media you come from? Utusan Malaysia. I will remember, I will call your chief editors.
Datang lagi ni Banyak now aku nak ulaskan cerita ni ni yang berhormat ke yang Komeng tu kan dia kata utusan menteri kata utusan apa benda entah, dia kata utusan Malaysia kenapa guna bahasa Inggeris, why not guna bahasa Melayu. Aku rasa kan menteri-menteri kita ni bila jadi menteri kan dia auto blur tau, auto hilang cara percakapan tu. Sebenarnya tak payah ugut. Boleh cakap. Actually kan, thanks for asking. Okay? Actually this campaign kita nak attract other people because not everyone will understand Malay. Okay? Because I do understand Malay tu memang bagus. Malay tu memang bahasa kebangsaan, but kita nak attract other people from outside country luar tu untuk masuk dan faham what we are talking about. Instead kau cakap, I will call your chief deputy. I will call and make sure you are terminated. You don't need to threat them. Okay? Sebab diorang pun human being juga. Diorang bekerja. And wartawan kena das-das. Dia kena pedas-pedas. Dan dia kena sentiasa berfikir. Faham tak? Dia kena fikir soalan apa nak tanya. Apa soalan yang macam membuatkan benda tu jadi viral. Faham ni kau take it personal pula. Nak report boss pula engkau Chill ya Komeng. Relax. Okay, you should explain. You are menteri, isn't it? You should explain to us why we should use English instead bahasa. Sebab kita nak attract other people. We need to let other tourists coming into our country so that we can generate our income. Kita boleh generate ekonomi negara. Explain, You will totally win if you explain in a nice way. Bye bye.